Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hi, grade 4. How are you today, girls? Today, inshallah, we'll complete lesson 3. How does sound travel to our ears? You know from the last session that sound needs a material to travel through. Sound can't travel through the space. Sound travels faster in solids than liquids than gases. Do you know this? That sound travels or move faster in solids more than liquids, more than gases. Why? Did you remember this from the first term? The solid particles, they are closely packed together, and the distance between the liquid particles is shorter than the distance between the gas particles. So here we have many particles, so the vibrations will be more, so the sound will be more. And here the particles, they are less than the particles in the solid. So the vibrations of the sound will not be high like this. And here the distance between particles is very big. So the vibrations will be low. So the vibrations of the sound here will be more. So what it's sound travels faster in solids than liquids than gases. Why? Because there have to be lots of particles to vibrate. And we have solids. Particles are packed closely together than in liquid. Here the particles are closely packed together. Also, sound is faster in liquid than gases. Why? Because the distance, here the distance between particle and particle, are shorter than the distance between the gas particles. So the sound vibrations will be more. The sound vibrations will be more in solids than in liquids than in gases. Okay? Some solid materials are much better transmitters of sound than others. Now we have investigation, we have experiment to know which solid material will transmit, transport, will move, will make the sound travel well. Which one? We have the following objects. We have door made of wood, curtain made of cotton, soil, window made of glass, and we have wall made of bricks. Which one will be the best transmitter of the sound? Work with your partner, with your mother, with your sister, with your brother. Put your ear against these objects. And your partner, your mother or brother or sister or father, anyone, whispers a word against the object. So, for example, you will put your ear against the door that made of wood, and your brother behind this door, and he will whisper with the word. Do you know the meaning of whisper? Speak quietly with the word. If you hear this word completely clear, so the wood material transmits the sound well. If you can't hear the word well, if you can't know what is that word, so the wood material can't transmit the sound well. Understand the experiment? If you hear the correct word clearly, the material has transmitted the sound well. Now the results, you will find out that what? Wood transmits sound well. Glass and soil don't transmit sound well. Wall and curtains transmit the sound, but not good as wood and not bad like soil or glass. I want you to try to do this experiment and tell me the results. Conclusions. Not all solid materials transmit sound in the same way. Not all solid materials transmit sound in the same way. Why? Because sound vibrations move differently through different materials. Sound vibrations move with different ways when they travel through different materials. Okay, now we will take the sound underwater, not in the solid materials, now underwater. Sound travel up to 5 times faster underwater than in air. 5 times. You understand this? We take now that the sound travel through solid more than liquids more than gases, and sound travel through liquids or through water up to 5 times more than in the air. Why? We hear sound differently because the sound moves differently in water than air. The sound vibration move in different way in water than in air. Our ears become filled with water, and so the vibrations in our ears are different. Did you do this before? Did you swim underwater and try to listen or to hear anything? Your ears become filled with water, so the vibrations in your ears will be different. Investigation now, how does water change the way we hear sound? Now, bring bottles, different bottles like this, the same size, and bring at first empty bottle without any water inside it. Gently, what is the meaning of gently? Slowly or softly. Blow over the neck of an empty bottle. Blow here. Do you know the meaning of blow? Blow here, air from your mouth over the neck of empty bottle. Can you make a sound? The air from you is vibrating the air in the bottle. When you blow the air from your mouth, it will vibrate the air inside the bottle. And this is vibrating the air back into your ears so you can hear the sound. So, when you blow the air from your mouth over the neck of an empty bottle, the air from you is vibrating the air in the bottle. This is vibrating the air back into your ears so you can hear sound. Now, number 2, add some water to your bottle and gently blow over the neck like you did before. Now, put some water in the bottle and gently again, like this, like the way here, start to what? To blow over the neck again. What happens to the sound now? The pitch of sound is higher. What is the meaning of pitch? What is the meaning of pitch? Pitch means louder or quieter, the sound. So the sound here will be higher or lower? Will be higher. I want you to try this and tell me the sound will be higher or lower, okay? Now number 3, add different amounts of water like this in different bottles. Blow gently like you did before with the same energy. Don't blow hard. Blow gently like number 2 and number 1. What will you see? What will you observe? Conclusion here. When I add more water, you will find what? The volume of sound of me stayed the same every time. The volume of sound means here the sound or the air that comes out from your mouth. Not a change. The same every time. So the volume of sound of you stayed the same every time. But the pitch of the sound that's coming back from the bottle got what? Higher when you add more water, so the sound coming back from the bottle will be higher. But the volume of sound that comes out from your mouth, the same, stayed the same every time. Okay, grade 4. If you can't understand anything, please send me a message. Now your homework, study the sheet well, answer the questions in the student book in these pages, and try to do the bottles experiment and tell me the results. I love you, grade 4. And you have here weekend fun time. This one and this maze help the scientist when you help him to reach to this bottle. Again, color this and help them again. And finally, try to answer this in math and color it. Happy weekend, grade 4. Bye bye.